Career and technical education is the best thing we got going in the United States. There's lots of people out there in the world expressing that. It gives real world, hands-on exposure to the things that they're learning in their other classes.
Taking welding here at Peoria High School has made me find my passion in the industry. It wasn't until welding 2 where it finally clicked to me that I realized that, wow, I'm actually pretty good at this. Not only that, but with Mr. K giving me that confidence, like, you're good, that looks good, or like, how about you do this? And I ended up getting better and better each time. Really made me feel like this is really what I want to do in my life.
A big part of getting ready to weld is the hands-on real-world stuff. And while we do real-world hands-on stuff in the shop, it's more like assignments as opposed to figuring out a problem. And so internships give students that real world exposure where they actually are tackling new problems. And those kind of experiences are really kind of outside of where school is. So this is really vital for internships.
Elevate Ed AZ builds relationships with employers who are excited to invest in the next generation of talent. We work with the schools and CTE teachers to identify students who are ready for hands-on experience.
The kids we send to internships are the best, right? They're the ones that are outgoing, they're the ones that are energetic, they're the ones that really want to, they're hungry for it. So they do a great job. These are the kids you want working for you.
Having an internship will allow me to get an insight on the industry itself, being able to work alongside these professionals who have done this for many years, and being able to see their day-to-day life allows me to live that life with them.
The welding industry is facing a major workforce shortage. As experienced welders retire, there's simply not enough trained young people to step into those roles.
So there's a gap, and so there's lots of opportunity for young people who are willing to work hard.
My teachers really gave me the confidence to keep pursuing this career and really pushed me out of my comfort zone. And some of the projects that I'm worked on and very proud of is actually my welding sculpture that I did for the regional competition for Skills USA. Before the day of the competition, I actually was planning on quitting, and Mr. K was like, you know, you're not gonna give up and you're gonna finish it. And I'm really happy he did that and just told me, no, you're gonna finish it, because if it wasn't for him, I wouldn't be here, really honestly, and I ended up getting first place.
If students are driven and work hard, they can make a really good living in the industrial trades, and welding is certainly a part of that.
I want to thank my parents, most importantly. They came here without anything, and so I know that they're very proud of me, especially seeing what I'm doing and everything I'm doing here for school, and knowing that I have an internship and know what I want to do in my life really means a lot to them.